Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet link in just a few easy steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type meet.google.com and press Enter. On the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Click on it. You'll have three options. 1. Create a meeting for later, generates a link for a future meeting. 2. Start an instant meeting, starts a meeting immediately. 3. Schedule in Google Calendar, schedules a meeting and sends invites through Google Calendar. For this tutorial, we'll select Start an instant meeting. If prompted, allow Google Meet to access your camera and microphone. Once the meeting starts, you'll see a meeting link at the bottom of the screen. Click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Share the copied meeting link with anyone you want to join the meeting via email, text, or any other messaging platform. That's it. You've successfully created a Google Meet link and can now host your meeting. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Error Genie for more tech tutorials. See you all in the next video.